Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know that you were here watching today's video. Make sure you also like to let me know if you love this video in the end. And comment if you have any questions on anything that I may have used in today's video. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Because like I said, we don't like drawing out intros. So I went on an Ulta run a couple days ago and I picked up a whole bunch of new goodies. I have a whole new makeup routine, guys. And I can't wait to show it to you guys because it's been a long time coming that I've changed some of my products and it's been way too long. So honestly, one of the finds that was in Morphe, and honestly, I don't even know how old this is. I'll look it up. Probably not. I don't really care. I just thought the palette was cute when I went in there. It's the Morphe and Abby Roberts palette. I thought that this palette would be mad cute because when I saw the colors, I was like instantly just like, there's so many things that I could do with this. And honestly, that's what I am going to be doing today, which is, forget this box. It's not going back in the box anymore. Super cute. And I was sitting there like, I want to do some edgy looks. I need some makeup to do it. And it's just like, oh, it's a cute note in here. It says, makeup for me has always been about not being afraid to be bold and expressive and showing my personality. I wanted to create a collection that allows you to do all the same. Get creative and embrace the artistry. So no matter who you are, you can feel empowered to express yourself. The shades in this collection are all named after things and people that inspire me every day. I hope you love them. That's so cute. So seeing the colors on the back, but seeing them right now, oh my gosh. Sorry if you hear my daughter in the background. She's staring at me record. I'm shook. I don't even know where to begin right now. Like, I'm definitely going to do a cut crease. Guys, let me do an eye off camera for you guys. So I'm not sitting here boring you. And then I'll come back. So, wrong moment, you guys. I know this is a new thing. I don't normally do this. But I kind of felt compelled to do it. As you can see, my makeup is barely done. And I say barely meaning like it took me, I don't even know, longer than it would normally take me to do my makeup. And originally, I don't even know what just fell. Originally, I was going to show you guys an eyeshadow routine. I was just testing out some things. I wanted to test out the palette. This isn't even what I was going to do. I was just testing out the colors and see how vibrant they are or whatever. I mean, that's not even part of this raw moment. For content creators like me, I am married. I've been married 4 years. I have 3 beautiful babies. But like I said, for content creators like me, specifically people who do makeup tutorials, I can't even say specifically that. Anything that requires you to sit down and record. Doesn't matter if you're doing food reviews, makeup tutorials, hair, whatever. These are the things that end up making posting consistently very hard. Not saying it's not doable, because I've seen families that have more kids than I do post consistently. However, in my case, where you have 3 under 3 and all of them are being inconsistent, like today's one of those inconsistent days. Nobody wants to take a proper nap. My oldest son, Caden, took his nap. I knew that was inevitable. My 1-year-old decided he wanted to be difficult to put down today. So it took longer than what I wanted it to take with getting down here and even setting up to record. And then my 4-month-old here, Naomi. I don't know if she's in the sleep regression stage or her sleep schedule is adjusting right now. I'm not really too sure. I've been monitoring it. But she won't stay asleep longer than 5 minutes for me to sit down and even do my makeup. And most people like, oh, we'll put her in a rocker next to you. She's a mommy's girl. She's not gonna do it. I'm saying all this to say, like, you know, these are the things that I get stressed out behind the camera that make me just be like, ugh, I don't even want to record now. But I record because it's an outlet for me, because this is what my original outlet was. And you know, sometimes motherhood can get in the way of doing so. And I'll never sit here and bash it like, oh, well then I shouldn't have become a mom. No, I would never say that. I love my kids dearly. I don't regret anything. I don't regret having them young. I don't regret having them back to back either. It's more so on the lines of, how can I say it? This is what makes recording so tough, is the unpredictability of kids. And I'm trying to find something that's beneficial for me, so that way, you know, they have what they need. That way I can do what I want, which I normally try to, you know, have a schedule for them, which I know toddlers and babies, what is a schedule to them? I mean, you can get them on one, but they're unpredictable. But I try to have them on a schedule, you know, nap time at a decent time, lunch before nap time. That way they have a full belly, clean pull-ups and diapers, bottle in her case. But I guess today was just one of those unpredictable days. I'm just trying to find what works, so that way I can remain consistent, because I want to take my channel seriously. And I don't want it ever to just be a thing where it's like, whatevs. So yeah, I'm going to scratch this look, and I'm going to do a look according to my mood now, because my mood is, it's definitely changed. So I'm going to go tend to my children again, and I will see you guys in the next part of this video. Honestly, it probably won't even be a voiceover or anything of that nature, because I'm kind of in a like wonky mood now. All I want to do is record. So just, I guess, sit back and watch me kind of do my makeup based off my mood. Yeah.
is your